Welcome to today's presentation. We are going to go over modifying Dropbox assignments so we can change differentiated release conditions. We do this for individuals with disabilities who need accommodations that allow them to have extended time to complete assignments and projects within a time frame different from the rest of the class. We're going to scroll down to week 6 and we're going to select the self-reflection essay 2, click the 3 dots and click edit. We're not going to add the due date right now or points, but what we're going to do is select more options. And we're going to scroll down to points. We're going to add 15. Submission type will online. This will be a file upload. 1 attempt at submission. And for the due date, we're going to say April 23rd. Available starting today. And then until 30th. Now, to add a different time frame, we're going to go ahead and click the plus add button to add another section below. We would select the course or the student that this special accommodation is going to be given to. For this demonstration, we're going to select myself. And for the due date, we're going to add an extra week. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the 30th, make it available starting today until 30th. And once we have selected this separate due date, we're going to go and click Save and Publish. Now, as you see here, the student will have extended time to finish their assignment.